That's a fact.
So as a serious music artist like yourself, what can you take away from this for your music career? First of all, when you have money already, you don't really have a weight on you about getting more money, even if it's $50 million, okay? Taking the $50 million deal would actually put a weight on him psychologically, and the same thing would do for you, that he doesn't really have a need for. It would make him feel less independent in a way, right? And as artists who are doing all the work ourselves, we like that feeling. We love the feeling of being self-made, okay? So with him turning down this deal, he also believes his fans are gonna respect it so he can brag about it, right? It actually adds to his brand a lot. So even if he turned it down first and then accepted it later, or even if he's just holding out for more money, I mean, everybody probably has a number in some way, but what's the number in his head that would allow him to think, I'll take that? I don't know. What would your number be? And would you take the money if you had that catalog knowing that you probably already have $20+ million? With that much money, you're not really too worried about money.
Right.
Second thing we can learn from this is it's funny that he's being offered this right now because it seems like labels know that it's okay to fake everyone's views and numbers because they know that they can monetize the hell out of his songs to get paid and make that $50 million back within the next few years because they can just pump the streams. He's already gonna do numbers. He already has X amount of monthly listeners. They know and they've already calculated the numbers, okay? Which means that if they calculated the numbers, he can do the same thing. You can do the same thing. That's why I always tell you guys about boostyourboss.com. They've been using that to pump the numbers, okay? The third thing and lesson that we can take from this as music artists to apply to our careers is I see this, and I actually see almost everything as a PR stunt to promote his new song, right? Remember, everything is for PR. So to me, he mentioned this right as he posted a new song. It's also part of the marketing. Definitely take that and put that in your pocket, right? Another note that you may not know is even though he has 5.7 million subscribers, the first 23 hours that the song was up that he dropped, including promoting from the video on his Twitter that mentions this $50 million offer, he did 61,000 views in the first 23 hours with that many subscribers and that many fans. Don't forget that a lot of the fans probably re-listen to that as well. So how many people are actually paying attention to him? How many people are paying attention to you with how many subscribers you have? If you do the math, stop feeling bad about the amount of numbers that you're getting on your songs, okay? By the way, I now set up YouTube ads for artists like you. You could do 61,000 views, even if your music sucked, for probably around $150 in one day. If the video's good and your song's good. Seriously, that's basic math of how it works. Anyway, if you want me to set up your ads, I'll put a link below this video. If you want to check out all the programs that we have, I have almost 150 different masterclasses, and they're all, as of now, set up and organized in a way to take you from wherever you are as a music artist to wherever you want to be, all right? Link's gonna be below, or go to smartrapper.com/programs. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Take these things, apply them to your career, and don't forget, keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top.
Like abortion, I ain't kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Right, that ain't hard. Just kidding. That ain't hard. That ain't hard. Just kidding. Right, that ain't hard. That ain't hard. Just kidding. On the road to nowhere, shit get deep.